Do you want to share someone else's video directly on YouTube community tab? In this video, I will show you how to repost another creator's video on your YouTube community step by step, quickly and correctly. Sharing videos through your community tab is a great way to support others creators, engage in your audience, and highlight content you enjoy. So, to know how to do this, for example, you can choose any video you want to repost it. This video as an example here. Then what you have to do on this page is you will find a sign of share. So you will click on this sign of sharing. For example, this video is, if you like it and you want to repost it, you will find this sign here of share. Then here in this list, you will find this window of create post. So I will tap on create post. And after that, they will show this video here as like this. Then you can choose the audience if you want to share it here on public. For example, in these three dots, you will click here on visibility, and it's usually on public. It cannot be private or in a list, so it is always public. You cannot change it. Here you can schedule the video when you want to share it, and also the expiration if you want for 24 hours or none here. Then you can click on done, and after that you can add any title or anything as you want here, like this video, like this here. And then you can click on post. When you click on post, you will go to your channel. You click on view here, and as you see, you will find it on your channel in this way here on posts. For example, this is your home. You will go to posts, and you will find the video that you have reposted before on YouTube. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.